Come here, sweetie. Sit on my lap while Mama does it.
Welcome to the Hive Trail, right?
Poor kid.
First rule of a military convoy is to put the slowest vehicle in front.
End of a hike. Well, Chris climbed yesterday in jeans.
That was my rock.
Oh, I'm sorry. I should have seen your name on it. Oh.
Rationalization at its finest.
There's the stair steps here.
Jeremy,
This would have been fun to make. I'm gonna do my shoes up a little
do
bit
it.
higher.
I want you to notice they made stairs for you.
Are we there yet? Is it over?
Not even begun.
That hike yesterday was actually kind of cool. Check these out.
Oh.
They made little stairs because they took the time to make stair steps out of a lot.
Right. What's it taking forever?
Most of the vertical stuff, they was literally, they found the right stones to place to make it into. My guess is it was a very iterative process. They put stones on the worst part and then
Moving stones around.
Jeremy, are you the lead mule?
Sure. I'm gonna get ahead again and tie my other shoe up.
Oh.
We're at the top of the beehive. Are you filming already?
Oh yeah.
Rung ladders and stuff? We didn't need them.
Do you see people up there?
This is rougher terrain than yesterday.
Oh yeah. Hello there.
How you doing?
Afternoon, I think.
Morning or afternoon?
It's one of those. Oh, this is the break. You can take a break in the shade and tie your shoe?
Yeah, we are.
Rita, when we get to this warning sign, can you read it entirely out loud?
Where's
That
the
one.
word?
Up there.
Oh.
Beehive Trail. That's only 0.3 miles. Or is that 2, the Beehive still?
0.3. Warning. Anything to be concerned about, Jeremy?
Nah, nothing. Okay, Marita, your turn. You're up. Action.
This trail follows a nearly vertical route with exposed cliffs that require climbing on iron rungs. Falls on this mountain have resulted in serious injury and death.
Oh my gosh, look at the people up there.
That'll be us.
All children and people with fear of heights should not use this trail.
Oh man.
Dogs are prohibited. Stay on marked trail. Avoid hiking in dark or wet conditions. Avoid climbing down. Use an alternative return route. Wear sturdy hiking shoes. Do not throw or dislodge rocks.
And what's about cleaning up blood? Your own blood?
We never leave a man behind.
I think that's implied.
Ready, Marita?
You see people up there, Tom?
I'm not so sure about this. Maybe I
look
should
up.
turn back now.
That would be wise, but unadventurous.
You can do it.
Why don't you catch up, John?
I'll walk through the back.
Okay. It's in a state park. Chances are.
National Park.
National park.
Even better chances.
Chances are it's doable for the masses. And if it doesn't start with 5 dots, you're fine.
What did this start? I don't have to leave the way. Go ahead.
This would be like a class 3. Class 3. Right. So climbing the
We'll see how far you can get holding your
you
camera.
rate the routes 5 dot something.
I'm hoping to go the whole way.
5 dot whatever somebody thinks
Does
it
this
is.
video have audio
That
too?
simply means
Oh yeah.
it's vertical
This is
and
what you're talking
protection
about
is required.
I'm hoping.
If it comes out well.
Yeah.
4 is you need a rope as a guide rope. And 3 is like this. Some scrambling required.
You okay?
I'm great.
You're off first blood.
Are you gonna be die hard and if it gets real tough and we need to pass off the
Camera.
camera?
One
I'll
take.
put my phone in my pocket. That's all I'll do.
Yeah.
Can't you kind of trust what the view is?
Yeah.
Can't you kind of sense where the
Sure, of course. It's a wide angle lens.
Keep it pointed in the right direction.
Okay, Marita, so maybe I'll go in front of Marita, or you can
Just go and
scoot
she'll
around.
follow your path.
Perfect foot right there.
Should we let these people pass us?
Yeah, you guys faster than we are, we'll let you pass.
Oh, you're adventurous.
Look at that view. We're at the top.
Yeah, or something. People playing frisbee out on the beach.
We made it.
Woohoo! That is quite a view. Turn around.
I said no going backwards.
Well, you can. It's just not recommended.
Clogged up the trail.
Probably because you're disrupting everybody who's coming up more than anything. When you get to the rung ladders, that's when you shouldn't go back. Rita, there's
Yeah.
4 steps right here.
Oh, that too.
I should do the steps.
Makes for better video too.
Now we're on top.
Getting baked.
Well, that was a good hike.
Yeah, let's go.
Feeling
We're
breeze
gonna have
yet?
the best,
A little bit.
the most views of this video of the Beehive.
Well, it'll be smooth, that's for sure.
Okay, Maria?
Yep.
Okay.
Now the video we watched of this, the guy did it in 18 minutes.
Wow.
I mean, he's by himself. I think the video started at the trail break over there, not the road.
So would you probably edit it down?
I don't think so. I think part of the fun is just showing the entire thing. No time changing or anything.
Right. There's steps all the way around.
Oh yeah, there is.
So it's easier for that.
Yeah, they did this throughout all the.
Well, you know, if you had a clear height, this would not be like that person last night who didn't want to walk across that bridge with two handrails on both sides.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Do you need some water?
I'm okay at the moment.
You're just so polite with these trails. It's neat how they do it.
Doing good?
Yep.
That's doing good looking at his camera and the trail at the same time. Watching his footsteps.
Oh, not that way.
Right up here on top
All right.
of this.
Here we
Oh
go.
my gosh.
Around it all? Nope. Oh, fun. I'll stay here.
Catch us as we
Catch
fall
us
over.
as we fall.
Right here and here. Right here.
I saw the arrows going up and I'm like, what is going on?
Yeah. You sure? They must have made a mistake on this one. Okay, Pat.
Wait, Chris.
Alright. Holy cow. I remember this picture. I see why they put that in there.
Handle.
Holy cow.
Hold on. Nope. Got it. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yeah, that's well placed.
Hello there.
Hi. You know what sounds good right now? Being on that beach.
In the water.
We
Yes.
need a zip line down to the beach.
Right.
Could you do one there for me?
Sure.
Is that that's elevation?
You'd have to
cable.
do one that locks your wrists in so you don't fall to your death.
It's all about getting tension on the cable.
Oh, here we go.
Where's the iron
ladders?
rungs? All right, Pat. See your skills. That's not so bad. Lean forward.
Not a good sign.
Let's see here. I'll pave the way for you. How's that sound?
Well, I would use that railing on the left to
Oh,
pull
yeah.
myself up, but do
It
what you
can
want.
be done. It can be done. Just proving it.
Some more.
Oh man.
Handhold here.
Yep.
One-handed. Which ear?
Yeah.
You're with your.
Left.
All right. Your guide. Oh yeah. Makes it easy.
Holy cow. This is not for the faint of heart. Poor guy who had to put some rebar in before.
I'm sure he was like Ansel Adams. He was the most manly man you've ever heard of.
It was. And he went to these unique spots.
I like to think that Teddy Roosevelt put all these in himself.
Oh.
Want to put your water bottle in here, Chris? Or?
I'm doing okay. Got a hook to my side.
Looks good news.
Yeah.
Indeed, getting better.
Wow. Unbelievable.
You know, tell you the truth,
To let people like me go on
I
these
think the
trails.
latter part's easier than the hoofing part.
Yeah.
Like I said, they're just right there, easy.
And you gotta slow down.
Great.
This is cool. To be able to have a trail for average people to go up.
Rita, you want my sunglasses?
I'm okay. Now I'll start to feel the breeze. That's good.
Yep. It's cooler as you go up.
Good.
Oh wow.
When you need it.
Okay, I gotta get a picture of you guys.
Hold on.
Hey, stay right there and turn back this way. And I'll get a picture of you guys. And
Picture of the picture.
okay.
Wow. Up in the tree.
Yep, glad I'm not wearing my sandals. Woo.
Your toes have a little bit more grip on them, Rita.
Yeah.
When you're going up stuff like this. Just the bare rock. Consider stretching on your toes a little bit. Cool.
Back on?
Yep.
You can go ahead if you want to.
That's nice.
Oh, that breeze. The flush that thing out.
Hey, Jeremy.
Yeah.
See this marsh over here?
Yeah, I see it.
I think that's a little more pretty and more of a marsh than
Definitely marshier.
pretty marsh.
You see pretty much?
We drove down to it while you guys went and got Rachel.
It wasn't marsh.
The ocean, it was pretty for that, but
Probably pretty about 2 weeks of the year.
Well, every other marsh looks nice. It's more of just like a beach, rocky beach.
Left hand, huh? Oh, yeah. Are we there yet? What in the middle there, Marita?
Took me a while to figure the spot out
Yep.
here.
Getting close?
I don't know.
Put the middle there.
Right
A
there.
little farther. Yeah, there you go. I got you two if you need it.
Okay, I think I got it.
So Marita, this big step here is a root you can grab.
Okay.
Right up next to the base. Down on the ground.
Oh, got it.
You got it?
Oh, thank you. Doing okay one-handed?
Oh yeah.
So he doesn't have a hard enough time surviving without people pushing on him all the time.
Thank God for these trees here. Give you a little sense of security.
Got our first wood bridge.
All right.
Wow, that's going to be a neat view. Like looking down from an Osmo, it's like you're at the edge of the cliff. Not for the faint of heart.
That's where you get the 360 view and you look straight down.
Bonus view.
Oh my. This one.
Oops.
I'm like,
Missed the
I
mark.
couldn't
Right
quite
here.
figure that one out.
I get a picture of
Hey,
this.
somebody take a seat up there. So.
Go ahead and try climb on up.
Oh, should I climb right here, you think?
There. If you grab right here,
Yeah.
you can climb up.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you want to do it there.
He's gonna take a picture, Jeremy.
Got it.
Okay. So you think I should go right here?
By the way,
I think you want to go there. This looks low.
Whoops, I'm having to shield. Yeah. Alright, just a second, I gotta retie my shoe.
there's a good spot up here to sit down.
Oh, that's alright. My foot's up already.
There's no bar there to grab.
Not there.
Tying shoes.
Okay. On a cliff.
Did you double knot?
No.
She will after the third time.
Oh, rebar. Quite the climb. Look at that pond over there. That's
Holy
Oh,
crud!
that feels awesome. Yeah.
Now that is some
Come on
climbing.
over, Dad. This is the spot to be.
Yeah, up here on this ledge.
Woo!
Rita,
Yeah.
Dad up here.
Okay. That feels great.
Oh, yeah. All of a sudden.
We're hanging out in the AC spot down
Yeah.
here.
This is just something else.
Woo!
Like right there, near death. Certain death, I should say. You slipped it.
So I can hear people at the beach. Does that mean they can hear me? No, that's not how it works.
There's more of them than there is of you.
Ah. Gorgeous.
Let's do it!
All right.
Holy cow.
Yeah, second down.
You want to go in front of me, Pat? Or?
No, I want to be behind you.
Comfortable there, Marina?
Yep.
This rock here has got a grip on the top.
Okay.
This is something unreal. Unreal. Oh, this is a great picture right here. Hold on. Can you
Hold
hang
on.
there? Honest to God, we're looking straight down. It's just incredible. Just incredible. We've got to get like this so we can see. Okay.
Hot rocks. Gotta move.
Fun.
This is something else. Yeah, this is something else. That'll make a great Osmo.
All right. What'd you do from here?
Straight up and over.
Right here.
Whatever works for you. That's what you do.
There we go.
Up around.
Okay.
All along
This is just making me just a little bit nervous. I don't know about you, Pat. Are you nervous?
No, not in the time of my life.
I know, but I'm just thinking, rubber on my shoe. Rubber on my shoe, they're gonna slip.
Yeah, I wish I had better grips on the bottom of my shoe during this whole thing.
Holy cow!
This is all a matter of perspective, guys.
Hold
Okay.
on.
This is great.
Gotta get my foot from here. Oh, rebar. Okay.
I'm still calling this a class 3.
Look down, Jeremy. Okay.
Oh,
Uh,
I know. I'm kind of proud of myself.
I'm very proud of you.
You know, it's slow enough that you really don't get your breath up real hard.
Yeah. Get little breaks every.
Hold on, Tom.
This is a really wise mountain.
All right.
mountain
Give you a little
climbing
latitude
thing.
to
Just,
slip back.
Pace yourself.
Catch yourself before you knock me off the cliff.
That's all I'm
Put
thinking.
up and- You reach all the way forward, you grab the rock. Unbelievable.
Ah,
This is so neat.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
This is it. It doesn't get any better than this, guys.
You're right.
I'm gonna
Well,
grab my water here.
To be telling you the truth,
Yeah.
we don't know that because precipice is closed.
Well, it's true, but just something about you just look down and say, I climbed that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You know,
Oh,
with
look
no,
at the seagull.
with no guide ropes.
That's actually a better view right up here, seeing all the steel all the way down. I can't really tell.
Yeah, this is not anything for fear of heights. Like I
Yeah.
can feel it a little bit in my nerves. I'm
Yep.
hugging the inside.
I am too.
Thankfully,
I can-
heights
would be a bad time
This
to
is
have a
more
fainting
challenging.
spell.
The physical challenge is enough.
Ouch.
Good distraction. We're around this way.
Okay,
Let's do it.
Ready?
I'm ready.
You're doing a good job leading, for the most part.
For the most part.
Only missed a couple.
I missed one back there.
Yeah. It's a challenging. Oh, they took the time to bend this bar just right, going around the corner. They really put a lot of detail into this
Yeah.
trail.
Oh goodness.
Settled in all the right spots.
Another challenge?
Foot
Yeah.
here.
A little bit.
Little ladder
Not,
up.
nothing like the last one.
That's a little hoist. There's a bar up above you on the right here, Maria.
Alright, once you get up,
Yeah.
it's a little flat.
Pull. Or over here. A little hoist. Bar right up here. Up a little farther. Yep. You got it.
I think I'm gonna hang on to that first.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Perfect. Got you if you need it. Put your weight over and crawl up.
I put my
One-handed.
There you go.
This is where.
The challenge starts from Pat.
This is where the. Oh, any harder there, I might have broken my elbow.
Well done, well done. Good.
You're going to be able to put in your hashtag
Bar,
run with one
bar
arm.
over here to your right, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Beat that, kids.
One arm. One arm ascent. You know, I know a lady with a disfigured arm that rock climbs. She
She and I should hang out.
puts like a wrist brace with a little piece of metal hook on it,
Ah.
and that helps just
Okay.
enough to keep the balance.
So is it just like a little bit of a hook, not a full hook?
Grab up here.
Yeah, it would be like that
Yeah,
big,
yeah.
You know, just a little metal
Just
cleat.
enough.
Yeah, you
That's
know,
it's gotta be a little hard when you get your body above that point, like your wrist, your body above your wrist.
you put all your, yeah,
Relying on the other hand.
yeah. But I'm impressed that you know that she's the stones to even attempt it. Safety.
Yeah, we're running fresh people up here, so.
You're doing really good.
I know. I'm kind of impressed with myself, you know. I'm glad I didn't turn back. Although, how much farther do we have?
Yeah, Rachel would have had some issues with her knee by now.
I hear people talking, so maybe we're close to the top. Are they coming back?
No,
Are they just going slower than
they're going slow.
Great, it's up through here.
Well, there's two ways.
Are they?
Which way do I want to go, Pat?
I think this way.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
I'll pull you up. Put a foot right there.